got them all wet, shaking what they mama gave.
Fell off the stage.
And we're off to the club. Alright y'all, so out here, this is the only way you can get around transportation. You have to ride these go-karts, y'all. This is a little Hennessy. I'm about to just chug, and then we're going out to this club. I'm gonna
Turn off easy?
yeah.
This one has mine is in the front.
Oh.
Versus theirs.
Oh.
Yeah, there's at the bottom. I remember when I was
And he's just staring at us. He's struggling. All I gotta do is pick it up and turn it around for it.
Right. Alright, so we waiting for the rest of the girls and we going to the club, y'all. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. If you're new to my page, go subscribe. If I'm gonna say that, I'm gonna repeat the whole thing. Huh? So, my channel is usually about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, lifestyle. I show you guys everything about my life. My mom says I tell you guys too much about my life. That's fine. I do. But anyway. Oh, he keeps staring at us.
You don't know what you're doing.
I know. It looks weird talking to yourself. But we out, y'all. And the men out here love us, y'all. When we meet, my mom was walking, and with so many guys talking to us. Alright. How you be here all night? So this guy.
Oh, because the residents.
Oh, this is boring. Just sitting here.
We're gonna bring you some food.
So basically he's security in the car.
You like this?
Oh, yes, I like that. So yeah, we just chilling, right? We got to go to Jaguar Club, but apparently, I don't know if I should say this on camera. Somebody was unalived at Jaguar. Yeah, we're not going there. Okay, so we made it to the Allure bar. The first bar that we went to was too dangerous. Well, we didn't go to. The first bar we was going to was too dangerous. So this is the spot. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Okay, so no one's here, so we're going to a next spot. It costs $5 American money to get in. So we're going somewhere else because nobody's there. She said nobody's there. Okay, so next spot. But if you guys can believe, that's the spot you can go to, which is Allure. They say it's safer than Jaguar. So American was unalive at Jaguar, so don't go to Jaguar. But Allure is supposed to be better. And then they told us another spot we can go to right now where there's people. I ain't turn the lights on. Alright, let's go.
Hello. Sunset Bar. This way? Thank you. Because the closed mouth don't get fed.
So we're walking to the
Yeah, we could have drown here. Oh, there we go.
I know you want it, wanna see trying. Just keep on pushing.
Wait a minute, get the crowd too. How much is that? Bridget, look at it. It's only a little bit gone. Look at this. It would never get as if any of us was using the poorest part of our brain, we wouldn't be coming. Look at the view.
Alright, so the club is over. We're going to the next one. Bye. So we're going to the next club. I had fun. Oh, there's a lot of stairs. It's like 3 flights of stairs. If you guys ever want to come, it's on the 3rd floor. It was cool. The drinks were okay. I paid about $25 American for my Hennessy. I think that's kind of overpriced. And they gave me a Brazilian money back. The whole crew right here.
Oh, you want to take me down? They don't like the way I drive, but you know what? They gonna feel the way I drive.
This is how it looks. I'm showing you guys the real of the Belize. Going to Belize, this is where you want to go. I had so much fun. I didn't want to leave.
Nah, you ain't leaving yet.
Oh, I know they're ready to go.
Why you guys leaving?
Let me put my camera up, y'all. But I had so much fun, y'all. I know. Oh yeah. Oh hey. Yeah. Yeah. Get it, boo. We from the Cali, boo, boo. Hey, hey, hey. Like I said, this is popping, y'all. Allure. If you ever in Belize, go to Allure. I had so much fun. We had to leave because we had to wake up early in the morning, but this is the spot. I'm gonna tag this spot for y'all to go check it out. Like, I had so much fun. The music's up my alley. Y'all know I love this stuff.
Show everybody how everybody hang out.
Look at this, y'all. This is what we do in America. We do this in America. Oh, you let they let you take your drink out, and then let you take your drink out, y'all.
Okay, I'm going to the house. She took it with my phone.
What?
She never asked me to send it to her.
What? Oh. I see it. Somebody's saying. All right, so like I said, you know, everyone drives these go-karts everywhere, y'all. This is ours. Hop on.
You want to hop on?
Okay, hold on.
All right, hold on. Go.
Let me flex my dress.
Oh, this the whole party?
Yeah,
Snapchat.
it's a whole party.
Too open. My son was gonna be like, Mom, why are you doing this thing with Ashley?
All right. You ready?
There's no seatbelts.
It's oh yeah, it's no seatbelts on this thing. We in there. You ready?
In terms of the dogs,
And then, yeah.
dogs are free.
The dogs.
They're not house pets like that.
76 pictures of all of y'all individual with y'all business.
Look at the doggy.
I said, hey girl, you so thick. What's your
I'll put your
name?
camera because little bumps is gonna
I
make it
know.
fall.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. See you guys well, I'll see you guys when I get to the room, y'all. See you guys when we get to the room because
You wanna come live?
it's so bumpy right on here,
You wanna come live with me?
and it's no seatbelts, y'all.
Shaquita.
We out here in the thick of it. The thick of it.
This is their alley.
I love it. I had so much fun in that last club.
Oh, I know you did.
Nobody wanted to leave. I mean, everybody wanted to leave but me.
Shaquita.
No, we just got to be up at 7.
I don't care. I don't care. I know you do.
Say
All right, bye y'all. We out. She did that.
And it's her birthday too.
Happy birthday.
That's my birthday. She got the same birthday as me.
Happy, both of y'all happy birthday. We gonna turn up today, well tomorrow. You need help?
Remember how he showed you?
Alright, what happened?
Trying to get in that part. Okay.
I see. Ooh, it is a little stubborn.
Maybe I should turn the wheel.
Oh, okay, huh?
Let's turn it. Oh, let's turn it this way. This might be easier. Yeah, like that.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
It's in there, y'all. It's in there. All right. All right. So we're going to our room. It's her birthday. Hey. Let me watch my stuff before I fall. Like I said, y'all, I had so much fun at Lord.
We had so much fun, y'all.
There you go.
Like my niece said, we had
So much fun. If you ever in Belize, go to Allure, y'all. Yes. Are we going to the room? Cause we have to wake up early.
Yes, you going to bed.
I'm going to bed. I'm in the dope, but I'm going to bed.
Hey, security. Thank you, security. No, we went to that one. Yeah.
Jaguar is closed, sir.
Jaguar is closed. Fun.
Oh, hey,
It was fun. It was fun.
all right. Thank you for checking on us. All right. It's like no lights up here. That's good. He's watching us. You don't? He kind of scared me. I didn't know he was. I guess he watches the ground. I didn't know. I didn't see him watch. I mean, let's get in that room, y'all. I'll take this clothes on this. We're gonna go to him. I didn't know we was here though. He watches the ground. Thank you. We get here. Alright, y'all. Okay, lock the door. Y'all, recap of the night. I had so much fun though at Allure. They were scared for me because they kept on saying watch something. What? What'd you say? You was pointing to my drink.
No, she said she got you a drink. And then she was like, she better drink it and not give it away.
The club was really chill vibe. But the second club, my music, 100%, y'all.
Yeah.
I was turned, and I felt bad because I was the only one dancing in our group. At the end, nobody was.
At the end, nobody, people died. You don't know when to stop.
I let that music die. They were tired. I was about to like pop. I was like,
You don't know who had that.
you had enough too.
No.
And they were like, oh, I'm tired. I'm like, damn, I'm not.
Well, we had to do that tomorrow.
9 o'clock. We did, and they not cooking, right?
I don't think so.
So we have to go back to doghouse. You want to wake up a little earlier, man?
I don't know.
You want to wake up at? I know if I said let's wake up at 8, that's kind of too early for you. I can get up. I can do it.
Tell me your stomach. I'm gonna get sick tonight.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Got food from the restaurant. The restaurant, I'm not gonna say the name because I wasn't.
It was good food though.
2 hours for our food, but the food, yeah,
They were used to
a large crowd. I had a burger. It was bomb, y'all. It was fresh.
yeah, real meat. Like,
Yeah, like it was like
not that portion square. It was like
good too. It's cold. We're on my phones. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We need to get some sleep. This lighting is not the best. Bear with me, y'all. I need some water too. Yeah. It was irritating a lot of people. Oh, it's a lot of food in my mouth. So, the first club they we were supposed to go to, it was the Jaguar. We was gonna go, and then the security guard was telling us, oh, it's closed because in December somebody was unalived. I talked about it earlier. I don't know if it made it to the video, but I'm gonna say it again. So at Jaguar in Belize, American was unalived. Yeah, and then we looked it up. She would, yeah, it was sad. So Jaguar is not safe. That's the only reason why we went to Allure, and then we went to Sunset. Those are two bars we went to.
The sad part is, the sad part is, they had one incident and they shut down that club.
Exactly. I think they did because they're American, and Americans, they're tourists.
Yeah.
She was a tourist, and a tourist make all their money out there. So everywhere we in third world country, tourists make the money for them.
They had to show them,
like, oh, we doing something to make it better.
And they caught all the guys.
And she's a sister. And another, okay, the security guard said that too. He said we caught all of the. He said we caught all the gang members, so it's no more. He said that. He says no more. So I'm like, okay, so it's no more in the whole country, like. But anyway, that is crazy. But I'm glad he was honest with us. You know what I mean?
Well, you don't know the time or not.
Right. He's taking his lashes off. Exactly, he wants to spend money. We can't even share no more.
How many we got left?
Like 4. Okay. It's important to drink water when you drink it, even if you go out the country, because your feet will swell. I don't know if it's that applies to everybody, but for us, our feet swell. Like my feet, my ankles were swollen yesterday. Yeah, yesterday my feet were swollen because the flight. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm literally showing you guys every freaking thing, start to finish. You guys see everything about being in Belize, and from my perspective as a, you guys see, so it's my perspective, and I feel like mine is really authentic. I'm not just saying that because I want you to watch it and subscribe, but I'm telling you this because before we went out here, of course I did my research, and I feel like the videos that I saw was not real, y'all. Literally, I don't know if this is because they were, y'all know what I mean, y'all know what I mean. I don't know if it's because of that or they don't want to show you everything. You know what I mean? Like, there's no need to sugarcoat it. If you're new, you don't know this, but I'm really authentic. If I don't like something, I will say it. And the restaurant, I didn't like the service, but the food was good. I'm still not gonna put that restaurant on here because my reviews is like, you know, iffy. But the first one we went to today, I like that one. The doghouse. All right, so I am about to take this makeup off. I'm about to go to sleep. We have to be up within 7 hours now. Vlog here. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I broke all the vlogs into different days, so each day will be a different vlog. If I do a get ready with me, that'll be a different vlog as well. You guys already know. So yeah, that is it. I'm wiping this makeup off and go to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed it because I'm having so much fun. Oh, look at my face, y'all. But yeah, I enjoy everything I do. Even though I'll be talking, I'm sorry, I have to cut that out because YouTube is trying to say you can't cuss on here anymore. So even though I talk a lot of mess, I still enjoy it. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, subscribe.